1909 Jeep Cherokee Classic 4.0. Starts right up. It's cold. It's snowing outside. Been having a problem with this. Idling poorly. I'm holding my hand up against the steering wheel. Got a little bit of a misfire. Not sure what's causing it. It's not too bad right now. Let's see what happens as it warms up. Pull this up my driveway a little bit. Just gonna let this warm up. Not idling too bad right now. Of course, temperature's cold. Just gonna watch this. Come back here after temperature's at normal operating temperature and see how it's idling then. Just gonna hold my hand here on the. Kind of see the needle jump a little bit. It's not real bad right now, but it'll get worse as it warms up. I'll be back in a few